on, guys? Welcome back to Sounds on a Great Day. Today we are working on the 99 C5 Corvette. Now, for all you guys who have been following the build, I bought this 99 Corvette basically to autocross the car, and slowly but surely I've been pouring in some performance parts on the car. I put thicker sway bars in the front and rear with Hotchkiss. Went with some Amazon seats to hold me in the car, MGW shifter, quick disconnect steering wheel, and I added some C506 wheels. But the tires in the back are way too narrow. These are 275 35 18s. Reason I went with those tires is because I picked them up pretty cheap. I have 4 sets of these tires, and I got them from a guy who basically had them on his car for like a little test trial, and sold them to me for $100. So I couldn't say no. They're a really good tire, but honestly they're too narrow for the back, and the car just gets loose. So some brand new BF Goodrich 315 30s 18. These are the Rival S. These are some really good autocross tires. I just picked these up today. I need to get these mounted, but before I mount these tires I need to raise up the car because 2 weeks ago I put on coilovers on the car. Went with Doug Rippey Motorsport coilovers, and it's just too low because in the footage I can definitely tell, I can even hear that the rockers were actually hitting the ground in hard cornering, and that's just not good. So we need to raise it up, maybe about 3/4 inches, 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and then see where it sits from there. And then we are eventually going to start putting performance parts like a cam. I got some long tube headers and an X pipe that I picked up as well last week. It needs to go on the car, but I don't have time because, like I said, this car needs to go to an event next week at a new location called the Houston Police Academy. Never been there, so I'm going to go up there next week and see how we do. So far I've been to 4 different autocrosses, and the first one I didn't place. The second time I went I placed what did I get? I get 6th place. The third time I went I got 2nd place.
In 2nd position, running a Chevy Corvette, Juan Banuelos.
Thank you. And last time I went I got 4th place. I actually went 2 seconds slower than the time I got 2nd place because the car, like I said, with coilovers, it drives completely different. So I need to get familiar with the car, and I definitely need better tires. For now, let's go ahead and jack this car up and adjust it. Alright, so we got the wheel off, and we need to raise the coilover up at least 1/2 inch. So we need to loosen the bottom collar here. We need to raise this collar up. So we need to grab our adjustable wrench here, raising it up at least 1/2 inch at the rear, and then we'll go ahead and raise this bottom collar up, tighten it up, and we'll lower the car, and we'll do the same measurement on the front. We'll go ahead and raise it up 1/2 inch. That way it's even all the way around, and we'll take a drive and let the car settle, and we'll take a remeasure and make sure everything's fine, and then we'll go ahead and get these new tires mounted on the wheels, and we should be good to go. Alright, got the adjustment on the coilovers. Now let's go get these tires mounted really quick. Hopefully we get these mounted today and not have to worry about it next week. Alright, got them stuffed in the back of the Bronco. Oh gosh.
You gonna keep them?
Yeah, these are gonna go in the front.
Oh, okay.
Look at this difference here.
Shoo!
Oh, big time difference. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these. Eventually I'm gonna buy 18s and put the 275 in the front. So easy. I just got back to the house, got the wheels mounted, and I'm about to lower the car down. It sits. Definitely sits a lot higher. So got a little bit of a gap, but it'll settle once we go drive it. Damn, looks good. I like going to get some groceries. out driving the car, and man, raising the car up half an inch made a huge difference. I can definitely tell that it rides a lot better, a lot smoother. It's not as harsh of a ride, and I can tell that the back tires definitely have more grip than they have before. But hopefully now we can seal the first place win in our class, but we'll see this weekend. So yeah, stay tuned, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.